Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. Today's recipe is very simple. Join me whilst I show you how to make this delicious steamed cabbage. For the steamed cabbage recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have sliced onions, finely chopped garlic, spring onions, thyme, red bell pepper, yellow and green. I have some sliced carrots. I have my cabbage. For seasoning, I'll be using Aromat White Pepper. I've got vegetable oil to saute, and then finally black pepper for seasoning as well. As always, all ingredients, including measurement, will be in the description box below. I'm going to begin by adding just a little bit of vegetable oil to a pan, and I'll allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the onions and garlic, and I will saute this until fragrant. I don't want it to be translucent because I'm trying to keep all my vegetables quite crunchy, so I'm just going to saute this until fragrant on low heat. As soon as the garlic and onion is fragrant, I'm going to add the carrot next, and the reason being is because carrot is hard, and I'm just going to allow the carrot to saute with the onion and garlic just for 2 minutes. I don't want the carrot to be soft either. I'm trying to keep all my vegetables very crunchy. Next, I'm going to add the bell peppers and the spring onions, and I'm just going to mix everything together and allow this to saute for 1 minute. And then now time to add the cabbage, and I will mix well. I'm now going to add my thyme just by removing the thyme off the stalk, and next I'll mix everything together well. Also guys, please ensure that your fire is on low whilst you are sauteing your vegetables, because if it is too high, it can burn and leave a bitter taste in your steamed cabbage, and that's not what you want. I'm now going to season my vegetables with black pepper, white pepper, and finally Aromat. Feel free to season your steamed cabbage with your preferred seasonings of choice. Next, I'll mix everything together well. And I'm now going to add just a little bit of butter, and I'll mix everything together. And I'm adding the butter because I want extra flavor in my steamed cabbage. Next, I will cover and allow the cabbage to steam for 2 minutes on low heat. I'm trying to keep all my vegetable crunchy, so I'm not going to steam it any longer than that. And as simple as that, the steamed cabbage is ready. And one thing I love about steamed cabbage is it pairs great with a lot of dishes. It pairs great with jollof rice, it pairs great with plain rice and stew, it pairs great with oxtail, with rice and peas, or brown sugar chicken with plain rice. Guys, any side dish of your choice, you have to try this recipe. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post delicious, simple recipes like this. Enjoy your steamed cabbage, and I'll see you next time. Bye.